Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another beautiful episode of today. Have you seen the latest design? Have you seen these latest styles of head wrap? We have beautiful head wrap tutorials for you here. Have you been looking for the style you can tie for your Ankara, your simple scarf styles? Yes, we have beautiful styles for you here. We have beautiful styles, beautiful tutorials from this my lovely sister. She has a very beautiful styles to show you. All you need to do is to put down, watch the full video, because she's going to give you bumper to bumper beautiful styles. Yes, what interests me most about these styles is the way she's doing it so calmly. It looks so simple. And honestly, because some of these styles, when you see some other people doing it, the way they're doing it, you don't even know how they start, you don't even know the ending, you don't even know where to start. But the way she was doing it, it looks so real, so easy. She will show you everything you want to know, that you're not going to lose anything at all. Okay, look at the way she's tying this one. Look at the beginning. In fact, I myself, I find it so interesting because there are a lot of beautiful styles I've been longing to tie, but I don't even know where to start and how to start tying them. But by me watching this, you will see that she shows the beginning to the end of the video. How, in fact, slowly, she's a very good teacher. She teaches you how to start it. I love these styles so much. I love these styles. These styles are not stressful at all. They are just easy going styles that you can tie for service. You can even tie it just probably you don't want to wear anything on your head, don't want to put on wig, or you lose your hair, or your hair is not okay, you just feel like tying something to cover your hair to still look smart. You can just use this style. And this is another lovely style I love so much. This is usually my Amalia styles. Yes, my Muslim people, they usually tie this scarf, and in fact almost anybody that ties this scarf, I've never seen anybody that ties this style that it does not fit. It fits everybody, goes for everybody. The style goes for everybody. You can tie it in two different ways. You can see the way she ties it. You can use the rose style. You can leave it in the front, and you can also take it to the back. So you see, as you continue watching this video, you're going to see a lot of beautiful styles too on this video. So many beautiful styles that you can use your simple Ankara to tie to still look smart and look gorgeous, look good. You can also use it for your kids. Yes, so keep watching. Oh my god. And one thing about her is that she's so cute. I love her cuteness as well, and her lovely smile, the way she dances, and everything about this video interests me. So as you're watching this video, drop your comments at the comment section. Don't forget to click on that bell icon so that I can get notified whenever we have a new upload. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. I still remain your personal person, Glory King Fashion and Style. See you on our next video. Stay tuned.